Hi there, my name is Aida, and today I would like to tell you what is Kanban board and why everyone should use it. Kanban board has grown in popularity in recent years, but if you're not familiar with them, that's okay. Me personally, I'm a huge fan of Kanban. I think it's an ideal for any environment and allows teams to complete all their work easily in a very efficient and productive manner. Well, what is Kanban board? The Kanban board is a simple tool that allows you to visualize your work process. It consists of a number of horizontal lanes, where each lane represents a work group or specific project. Cards within each lane represent the tasks that need completion for that respective group, maybe design or programming or marketing, depending on your team. After you add cards to a lane, you can quickly see which areas of your project need more attention and focus. By doing this in one space, it helps to promote communication across projects so you can understand how everyone's work fits into the big picture. Kanban here, I think, is the best Kanban software for teams that use Google Workspace. Kanban originally was built for the Google Workspace environment, and it's perfectly integrates with all the other products. Kanban can create many boards within lists, and there are lists inside each board and tasks inside lists. Each user had their own dashboard where they can see their tasks, open tasks, number of completed and remaining cards, and be notified whether there's something new or needs to be done. Kanban's Kanban board organizes and displays your projects with all its stages and tasks, all in a convenient view. Unlike its physical equivalent, which is a whiteboard or a sticky note, this one is accessible from a single board. You can say it's a one big get-it-done list, and you can share it with your entire team. It is a great management and planning tool that can be used by anyone that is involved in a project. Well, Kanban board has many benefits, and I would like to just highlight, I think, the main ones. I think it helps to visualize your workflow, which is more important. It works for teams of all sizes and industries. It empowers your teams with a great flexibility, and flexibility is the key. It improves your team collaborations, helps your team to achieve goals faster, and it can probably serve as a knowledge base and boost team efficiency, which is, I think, the main thing. When someone looks at the board, there are no missed details. The progress is visible, and the problem-solving process becomes easier because the team can make more informed decisions. Kanban boards basically put everything in one place, making everyone understand what happens in each stage of a project. So make sure you try Kanban boards, whether you're working alone or you have a team. And of course, sign up for Kanban. There's a 14-day trial, and you'll see yourself how productive you can become using this methodology. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.